Today I would like to talk about my Pittsburgh Automotive. It's a 40-inch creeper, 300-pound capacity, one piece high impact PVC frame, oil and solvent resistant, easy to clean, won't rust, padded headrest, which yes, it's padded, it's pretty nice, I like it. 6 smooth rolling swivel casters, built-in tool storage. It's got the 2 tool storages on both sides. I was still losing stuff sometimes in tool storage, but it was nice to put stuff there. It's got the 6 casters, as you can see. I might have to re-grease them, but they move around pretty good. I mean, I use this for several oil changes, a brake job. You can see the wheels, they're not brand new. I definitely have used this. I know you're gonna be like, why another Harbor Freight video? But I mean, seriously, a lot of people looking at these tools to purchase are not professional mechanics always. It's people like me who may do some kind of professional mechanical work, but they also like to work around on their cars and stuff like that. So now it's easy clean. You can see it's all smudged up. Like I said, I did a brake job. All the brake lines I redid on my Astro van. There's videos of that on my other channel. So let's see, how easy is it? This is just an oily rag to clean up. But I will say this, even if it doesn't clean up perfectly, I don't care. Let's actually spray it up with some Simple Green. This was left outside. It got snowed on one night. I mean, nothing has rusted. It looks pretty good. And if it doesn't clean up, I don't care. Because tools are meant to be used, not look pretty. But I'm just here to let everybody know about this. How I thought that this was definitely worth whatever I spent on it. This is a good tool to have. I don't know if it would hold up to every single day use. It probably would. I'm just giving it a quick cleanup just to make it look a little nicer. And it's gonna get smudged up and dirty. I mean, this sticker is gonna end up coming off. But what can you work on your car and they don't get dirty, really? Because you know you're filthy while you're working on it. And if I got a brush and worked its way in here, yeah, it would clean up a little better. Like I said, why do I care if it's perfect? I'm just letting others know about this tool, which I do think is really nice. And definitely made my brake job easier. I do not want to be just crawling around under my car. I was able to just kind of wheel around everywhere with this thing. But if you need a creeper, definitely, if you're not using it every day, if you're using it once in a while to work on something in your driveway, this will definitely do. Professionally, probably. I mean, you may have to change the casters sometimes, but so what? Like I said, this is item number 63372. I've had it for over a year and it was well worth, I think I spent like 20 bucks or something like that. Whatever I spent on it, got it on sale. They have other styles, but this one definitely passes my test, and definitely I can say if you need one, check it out. Well, I'm out till next time.